Unboxing.
What have I got?
So we got the Postman Pat box set.
Hey.
Hey, did the back doors open?
No.
Oh, well, I was hoping to put the rocket inside. The Americans apparently call this a C-clamp.
That's a G clamp.
They always laugh.
G.
Yeah, but they always laugh at it, saying it's not a G clamp, it's a C clamp.
Well then, why? What C has got that bit? Oh, that's the C clamp now, mate. It's a C clamp.
If you take this bit off, then it's a C clamp.
Yeah.
Hey! Open the flaps and we'll shove them in, Pat.
Ah, f***ing love shoving it in.
Get in there. Oh, we're in.
Young man. So then, like.
Yeah, something like that.
Oh, you bastard.
It's a bit tail happy. We might have to put him in there. We put Pat in there and Miss Goggins maybe.
Oh, you're really good at animation, Kev. Look, he's even driving on the right side, the clever bastard. Oh, Miss Goggins, mate. She looks like my nan. I think it's put one on the roof and all. Not like I can go through. Oh, shit. Look at the grass! Oh shit, put the grass out. Shit, put the grass out.
Oh, what happened?
You're only meant to bring with the bloody doors off, Kev.
Oh.
Let's even split it that way.
Oh no, there's nothing left of it.
Some bits.
Oh. Pat's alright though.
Pat's here, he's fine.
Pat's fine, Miss Goggins alright, a bit singed.